Okay, so for this assignment, okay, like all the other assignments you've done for me, right, look at the point values to get some idea of how much work each question entails, okay. Big thing here is this assignment should be a pretty major opportunity to improve one's mark, okay. Judging by how well you guys have been doing on the quizzes, this stuff is not challenging you very much, okay, and that's okay, that's fine, okay. Just make sure you do as good a job on these questions. All right. So just a couple of things about the questions in general. Okay. Significant digits. All right. Let's not lose marks needlessly on significant digits. Okay. Do be on the lookout for a couple of questions actually specifically say what's the direction of the centripetal whatever. Okay. If it's centripetal, it is towards the center. Just make sure you write it if the question outright asks for it. Okay, obviously if it's centripetal, we know which way it's going, but the question is specifically asking. Okay. So for question number one, it's pretty simple. Don't overthink it. Okay, so this all starts out with easy stuff like v equals 2 pi r over t. Okay, there might be one or two things that involve t is 1 over f and f is 1 over t. Okay, and then we've got some centripetal acceleration stuff. The a equals v squared over r. Okay, and then it moves into some of the uniform circular motion questions that we went over. So unbanked curves, banked curves, okay, things like that, artificial gravity, and then there's some stuff on vertical circular motion as well. Just kind of read the questions carefully here. So number 4, okay, race car travels constant speed around a circular track with this radius. What's the centripetal acceleration of the car? Okay, so again, not a mathematically difficult question, but watch for simple tricks like units, okay, things like that. Because like I say, these aren't things that are challenging you like, in your mind or mathematically. So watch for simple tricks because that's about the only place I'll probably catch you on anything. Okay. Number 6, there is going to need to be a calculation for part A. Okay. For part B, I would say you should probably have a calculation as part of your explanation for part B in that question, okay? It's giving you some information and then asking you to calculate the centripetal force acting on the ball. And then it says in B, if the speed is doubled, does the centripetal force double? Okay, so you'll need to know whether it does or not, okay? And then if not, by what factor does the centripetal force increase and why? Don't forget about the why. All right, I'm looking for an explanation there, okay, talking about what we've learned about, centripetal force and speed and their relationship and things like that. Okay, number 7, okay, we got a bank curve question. Same with number 8. Okay, number 9 and 10, 11, those are going to be vertical circular motion questions. Okay, and then yeah, some more vertical circular stuff, and then some more. There's an unbanked question, unbanked curve question at the bottom. Okay, which is obviously not a vertical circle. Okay, so don't solve it that way. Okay, questions on that? I'll put a due date up here in a few minutes. I just got to decide when it's going to be. All right, have at her. Okay, so due date will be May 14th.